Hello, beautiful people. Let's start with bacon. What is that?
Bacon
Bacon quarter pound, McDonald. Oh. Let's see how is the taste. Good. There's a lot of chicken, Liana, if you want. Oh, look at these chicken nuggets. Quarter pound bacon.
Hả? Tôi coi là cái nào đã chơi không?
Want to try chicken nugget, Liana? Trying chicken nugget at McDonald's for the first time.
No.
That's my first time.
Oh, really?
But you did eat it before. That's pretty good. What is that?
Chicken.
Is it good?
No, you need to try.
No. Smells so good. They season it with something very special. I love it. Oh, so good. Oh my God. Now, what is inside this?
Wait. Okay. No, stop. Okay. I have apples in a bag and a toy. It's this toy you guys can see. Okay.
When you open the toys,
I'm gonna do it at the end. And also that.
mm. Can you please try this? This is chicken. Buffalo Ranch Snacker. Can you open it and show it? See how it looks like and eat it.
Wait. Oh. The burrito. Buffalo Ranch, everybody.
Mmm.
It actually looks... It's very spicy. I know Buffalo Ranch, it's extreme.
Okay, this is, I ordered mild, not too spicy.
Oh,
You wanna
okay.
bite? You bite the most bread.
Because it's inside.
How is it?
I really like it. Too much bread.
I think you like this chicken more. Mmm. Mmm. Kind of spicy.
Not very.
Yeah.
Okay, Baba. It might be a little weird I did this, but I put a little bit Fanta, a little bit Coke.
I don't like when mixed.
But actually, it just tastes like Coke. I think I put a lot of Coke and a little bit. It just tastes like Coke. Baba.
Yum. You want to eat it? Buffalo Ranch. Yeah, let's try this Buffalo Ranch. Is it spicy?
Yes. It's the thing inside there, but it's extreme. Do you know the burrito? That's
Whoa.
extreme Buffalo Ranch. Okay. It's spicy. Yeah, I know. I don't want to try it. I ate it before, and you know what happened?
This is mild. It's not too spicy, I promise.
Oh, then I had a different one. It was so spicy.
This is tiny one. Mmm. Good, actually, I like it.
That's still a little more spicy.
There's a ranch. Right?
Already tried.
Oh.
What is this? Oh, it's spicy.
Mild picante.
Mild.
What is that? Mild picante.
Aren't they?
You want to try it? This is mild picante. Not bad.
That?
It's good. It's a little bit mild. It's very mild. Diet Coke, 0. If not Diet Coke.
No. It has only sugar free.
Thank you.
More later. Do you not? Oh, it's so slippery on the ground. I can't even get up. Did you feel it slippery on the ground?
还真是洗手间在这边呢，真好拿啊，要不被刮走不好。
You want to try it?
Closer to you.
Can you open your toys?
Yeah. I'm too excited.
She's gonna show us her toys and she's gonna gift it to me.
Oh, extra. Hey.
Go ahead.
Move your hand. So it's extra wrapped.
What kind of McFlurry did you guys want?
That's funny. It goes on like. It's like. Yeah, I am going.
Mhm.
Do I want to come over and pick? You want a cookie or anything?
Hey, hey.
No, yeah,
Okay, I'll be right
let me show
back.
it to camera very nicely.
That's for babies.
McDonald toys
It's very baby.
for very baby, like Liana.
Hey! Everybody, look at him!
I am full. Are you full?
Well,
You still have a lot of food, so you have a lot of chicken nuggets. So the food costs $50 all together.
50?
Almost. That was like $49 something. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you next time with another video. And then Liana, can you go and look around the store and show inside the store and come back like this? Go from here and come back. And then,
I'm gonna show you around.
not your face.
And there's a drink area. And order pickup.
Thank you, Liana. Bye.
Thank you.